Hello, what is up everybody, of the Sun here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we'll be reviewing a random Hot Wheels model, and today we have the Volkswagen ID Buzz. Now this is more to a new casting for 2023, and yes, this is from the Hot Wheels Green Speed and number 173 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Now, this is a fun one, as yeah, one, it's a van. Two, it just looks great. I mean, it's not your typical Volkswagen T1 panel bus that you normally get, but still, it's, besides that, you actually have a legit ID Buzz, which is insane. Now, I'm not surprised that this car is already in Mattel, in Hot Wheels, obviously, as I've been expecting a car like this to release sooner than later in either Hot Wheels or Matchbox. Instead, Hot Wheels took it, and basically they've made this sensation, which I do quite like, and it just looks clean and stock, which is awesome. Now, they did capture each detail minus the extra bits. Now, I'm gonna mention about the extra bits when I go to the close-up of this car, but then stick around and you'll be able to see it as I mention more about this car. And as you can see, you have the the star-shaped chrome wheels, I believe. Let's take a look properly here. Here's the side of the car. Now, it just looks like your typical van, as you can tell. You have the chrome 4 to 5 spoke rims, I believe. Side looks pretty nice. You have the door that opens up, like the sliding door, obviously, and the normal front door, which looks pretty great. Now, if you're wondering about the roof and the whole side and front and obviously the windshields of the car, yes, the whole top part of this van is actually plastic. Now, why is it plastic? I don't know, they want to save cost or something like that. The bottom half is totally metal, so I'm fine with that. Just that if people steps on this van, they would be sad that they broke the top of the whole van, which is quite sad, but still it's I don't know, it's Mattel's idea, so they would just do something like this, I guess. At least it kind of looks something like that actual van, so yeah, at least they did the van itself. So yeah, that is the side just now. Moving on to the front, you can see that you have the headlights of the car. You have the whole line right there as well. The straight line connects from the one headlight to the other. You have the Volkswagen logo, which is in the middle, which is kind of nice. And sadly, the bottom part, it doesn't really have that fake grille, I would say. It does actually come with a I don't know, like dotted front fake grills, but then I believe many people are gonna mod it by adding, like, using a marker pen and maybe putting some dots at the front of the car so that it looks nice from the front. Besides the headlights and the front logo, it just looks a bit plain at the bottom half. But yeah, I forgot to mention, it is a two-tone color paint job, so you have a white part at the top, and bottom half would be yellow, which is pretty cool. Now, this opens up to many other colors as well, such as white and orange, white and red, I believe white and blue, I believe so. White and what else? White and red, I said that. I think white and green as well, I'm not sure. But yeah, you do have a lot of variety of colors that they can pick besides yellow, which yeah, you'll see a lot of these coming out sooner than you think, maybe in the future, maybe in different colors, which well, will make people happy, as this is a new casting. Now, that was the front. Moving on to the side, here is the other side, which yeah, looks pretty nice. Not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. And yeah, I forgot to mention the roof. The roof is mainly not transparent. It's actually more to a thick, translucent area, I would say. I mean, other than that, it's actually transparent, but still it's really tinted in there. So I believe it's more to a dark gray interior, or maybe a black interior. I'm not entirely sure. But other than that, that was the roof and the interior. Going on to the back, you do have the rear lights, and you have that long rear light moving from one side to the other, which is kind of great. You have the Volkswagen logo, and for the license plate it says ID Buzz. You even have extra indicator rear lights at the bottom, which is a great detail, a sign of detail, obviously. Overall, the car looks perfect and all. It looks pretty great. Just that from the front, I just have that complaint of the front fake grille, I would say. But then many people are gonna mod it, and basically they'll put some dots in front, maybe using a Sharpie marker pen or something like that. And yes, Volkswagen ID Buzz 2022 Mattel and made in Malaysia. So yeah, Mattel, I believe they've made extra different plans. Instead of doing the regular T1 panel buses, the cool combis and whatnot, they're gonna make a step further and instead release this ID Buzz, which is quite a nice vehicle, to be honest. Even though it's more to a van, MPV, however you gonna say it, it's still a unique casting for people to collect and still collect till today, as even though it's more to an electric MPV, like I said, it's still a fun car and it's a nice van to collect, as it still maintains its shape and looks pretty nice. Even though it's a $1 model, it's still pretty good for its price. And yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Volkswagen ID Buzz. Hopefully they will release it in a white and orange or white and red paint tone. I would like to see that come soon. But yeah, overall the white and yellow color looks pretty good as well. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.